Welcome guys, welcome back, and I'm really happy to see you. That didn't rhyme. So, like I said, I figured out how to make an airplane. Didn't work out as I expected. And from the last video I showed you how to make these boats. Still the same day, still the same time. Or is it, see, like 43 seconds now? So, I told you how to make this navy boat, 2 navy boats to be exact. And I'm going to teach you to make this plane. And there, got you all set. So now, we're going to make this plane, alright? This plane. See, the back, the front. Try to put a lot of detail in it, but not much detail at all. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to show you how to rebuild it. So, here we are. You're going to need 2 of these, whatever you're going to call them. You're going to need 1 more of this, any color you want. It could be black, yellow, blue, red, whatever. So I choose black, and of course I got this out of a random box. That's where I get all these Lego pieces. I just create random things that end up looking nice. Like this galaxy base right here. But it's in a corner, so right now it doesn't look much. Oh, another piece fell off. Anyway, anywho. You are going to have 2 of these. 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. Oh, 3. 2 of these. Is it even in the shot? No, it's not. So you need 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these. Anyways, let's get to it. First of all, you want to do this, right? Then you're going to do this. Then you're going to do this. It's going to look like that, right? Then what you want to do is add the back wings, which is like that, right? Then you want to take this piece and put it on right there. Then you're going to take the red piece and pop it on like that. Then you're going to take 1 piece, pop it on right there. Take another one, pop it right here. Am I going too fast for you guys? I feel like I'm going too fast. Then I'm going to take this piece and pop it right there. Easy. It's fast. It's good. It's everything. This is the building. Well, these 3 are the buildings for today. Like that. Let's put a little short film on for you. Let's grab. Oh, another piece fell off, my bad. My hand was on the lens. Look at this. So good. Focus, come on, focus. You're like, ooh, who is a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Turn around. And bye. Let's just go for like 10 likes for this video. And of course I'm sitting on a bucket. Yeah, what's the problem? I like sitting on buckets. Yo, Mom? That's my mom. Mom, say hi. Yeah, she's... this is my YouTube video. Anyway, hopefully I don't get scammed. Oh, it broke. Oh, wow. Another piece fell. Alright. Peace out. 10 likes. 300 likes for the last video, I think. If not, I'm sorry, but I think it is 300. So 300 plus 20, 320 likes for this whole day. Peace out. 2 fingers. Peace. Whoosh.